Hey Ainsley, did you see Netflix on the way in?
Yes, I did.
Man, it's so cool. They're filming movies and TV shows and all kinds of cool stuff, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah. Do you think they filmed Frozen 2 over there?
maybe.
Maybe Elsa's hanging out or something. I don't know.
I don't know either.
Well, hey, how's it going? I'm Reid. Welcome to Mesa del Sol. I'm really looking forward to taking you on a tour of this amazing urbanized community and showcasing some of its features. Also, really looking forward to showcasing these brand new Abrazo floor plans we built specifically for the area. A lot of cool stuff going on. Should we go inside the house? Check it out? Let's go.
Hey, Dad, but
What's
you
up?
said we could go for a walk.
You're right. Let's go for a walk. Let's go check out this community, then we'll get to the floor plans. Come on. So out here in Mesa del Sol, we have what's called your urbanized community concept. One of the key features is these alley-loaded garage concepts, where all of your garages are in the back of the houses. One of the things that I love about that, having a daughter of my own, is I'm not having to worry about cars backing out of their driveways or curb cuts, getting uneven, tripping hazards, etc. That's what I really love about this. The other thing is what we have ahead of us. We're gonna take you over to the pool, the park, the playground. 2, 3. Almost there. Whoa. Okay. Hey Ainsley, you think we should go get Charlie and take him to the dog park?
Yeah, let's
All right,
go.
let's go. Come on. Hey, look who I found.
Come on, Charlie.
So one of the other things that I really love about Mesa del Sol is actually its proximity and how close it is to a lot of different things. You are 10 minutes to downtown. Whether it's work, you need to get to University of New Mexico, whether it's UNMH hospitals or Presbyterian Hospital or the Air Force Base, Sandia Labs. You're also only 10 minutes to Costco on Montgomery. What you are gonna find about Mesa del Sol is how easily accessible a lot of these things are. Up. Go boy, go. Charlie, up. Come on. Okay. We'll work on that one. Now that you've got a good idea of the community, check out the debut. Let's see this house. Welcome to our Stout model. So here in Mesa del Sol, we have brand new Abrazo homes floor plans that we've designed specifically for this community with that urbanized concept. We've got the alley-loaded garages. We have some new cool structural options such as our vaulted ceilings in all 3 of our floor plans. Patio expansion options, customizing how many bedrooms you need in the house and so on and so forth. So with our different floor plans, there's a lot of cool opportunities for family settings. Big open loft spaces for secondary living rooms or home offices. The Pilsner, the IPA, the Stout. There's 3 different floor plans, single story, 2-story. There's a lot of cool stuff that we can do where we can make sure that we give you the opportunity to make this floor plan what you need it to be. So whether it is a IPA, a Pilsner, a Stout, whatever the case may be, I look forward to the opportunity of talking a little bit more about what we can do for you out here. Call Blair, schedule your appointment, and come on down. Cheers. Wait, what's that sound? Is that Frozen music?
Yeah,